So Adobe Creative Cloud subscription is kind of pricey. It's not like super expensive, but considering it's a subscription, you have to pay for it like all the time. It is pricey, but there are ways to save money there. And here are the top 6 things you can use. The first one is actually my favorite one, the Black Friday sale. It seems obvious, right? You just wait for the Black Friday to happen and you buy a yearly subscription. And then every Black Friday from there on, you just renew that subscription with the cheapest price possible. Sometimes they will not cancel your previous subscription and they will renew with a new price. So like during Black Friday, you buy a subscription for like 35 bucks. Then 1 year passes and they auto-renew it for like 70 or 80. What you need to do, you need to cancel and you buy a new subscription every year. Works like a charm. Number 2 is student and teachers discounts. So in general, it sounds like if you're a student or you're a teacher, you can get like a 50% discount. The way they check whether you are a student or a teacher is by your email, because usually you have an edu email associated with your institution, but there are some countries where they don't check it. So it depends. In general, this discount is pretty amazing and many people use it. The third option you may use, you can buy Adobe products from authorized resellers like Amazon, B&H, basically any huge market, huge store, online store in your country. Usually they sell Adobe products if Adobe is present in your country. And quite often the prices are lower than on the Adobe site in that country. You will not get as good of a deal as on Black Friday, but sometimes the deals are quite big on those reseller sites. The fourth option you will use, it's not like you may use, you have it by default. You can use Adobe Creative Cloud subscription on 2 PCs simultaneously at the same time. So if you have a friend who also wants to use it, you buy one subscription, you buy one credentials, and you share those credentials. You can log in from your system and your friend can log in from another system at the same time. So basically it's like you get the same subscription, you pay 2 times less. Number 5 and number 6, although I do know people who have used it successfully, those are not legal ways to obtain a subscription, so I strongly recommend you not to use them. I will still tell you what those are, but those are not proper ways to use a subscription. You may get into trouble even. So number 5 is using a VPN service to go into a different locale, like for example, you're from the US and you go into Turkish locale to buy a Turkish subscription, which is usually lower than the American subscription. It depends on the country. Argentina used to be low, Egypt, Turkey. It depends on the currency of the local market. If the currency gets devaluated fast and soon, you may get a subscription for like basically nothing, like $4 to $5 yearly per month. And it did work for some people, although most of them were sooner or later cancelled. I don't recommend it. It's problematic. You have to be connected to the VPN all the time, and sooner or later Adobe will find out and will block your cards and will block your system and your credentials. So it's not something recommended, although there were some people who used it and even were successful for some time. And the last one, number 6, is flat out criminal activity. Not recommended, don't do it. It's using pirated software. And some people have used it, and believe it or not, there are some Easter eggs inside of Adobe products, and those versions that are pirated, they work, but they work in such a bad way that people were not even able to use it reliably. Like if you want to see what the software is, just to play with it, it works, but if you want to use it professionally, it's just impossible to work. Lots of crashes, lots of problems with that software, and it's not legal, and you may get into trouble. So yeah, forget about it basically.
Guilty.
If there are any other ways to save on Adobe products that you know of that I haven't mentioned, please mention those in the comments. Would be really glad to hear those. Thanks for watching.